Hey, what's up, everyone? Antonio here once again with another Ford Police Interceptor video. In this video, we are looking at an '05 that is currently in the restoration process. '05, 130,000 miles on it, and this will be coming in the next week. Just wanted to make a quick video, give you a sneak peek at the vehicle. We will put a push bar on it. Obviously, the spotlights will be fully functional. The car will come out amazing. It's got Goodyear Eagles all the way around. And guys, right now the car we're not even 50% done with it. So can't wait till I finish it. We're making some videos more about it. But yeah, if you're interested in this car or another vehicle, because our Crown Vic, literally we had another one, and we posted it we posted it in the evening. By the morning, that car was gone. So security companies tend to buy all of our stock. So if you are looking for a very specific car, please let us know. We would figure it out, get you one on reserve, build one for you, and make sure that vehicle is allocated to you. All right, guys. My name's Antonio. Call me 909-457-5500. I will pick up the phone personally and make it all happen for you guys. Okay. So '05 P71, that's going to be coming out in the next week or so. All right, guys. Have a good rest of the day. Peace.